Alright, let's see what you got for me today. Putin buys Erdogan ice cream. Shows off new Su57 fighter jet during visit to Russia. Classic combo. Ice cream and Su57 fighters.
This is why you keep playing the same Steam game over and over. They publish this demo that's meant for making actual horror games and call it a day. Don't show chat, only 47k views, Mango Meadow.
Yeah, we noticed that yesterday. I had no idea it was a thing. But yeah. Why is the voice acting though? You got scammed twice? I mean, technically I only got scammed once because the other time it was the first time I played it. Do you think it matters to me if the developers put in 1 minute or 1 year into a game when I play it? I only see the fucking result. Sure, I'm paying for a demo, but you're paying me to play the demo, so who really got scammed here? No more links, by the way. I'm checking the last one in line. Alright.
Шоколадная или сливочная?
За меня тоже заплатишь, да?
Да, заплачу. Ты же гость.
Siz misafirsiniz, tabii ki vereceğim.
210.
А?
Keep the change.
Вот министру дадите. Ему на развитие авиации. А где у нас?
He wanted ice cream too. He's like, Putin never buys me ice cream.
Пожалуйста, выбирайте.
А вот заберите денежки, а?
Нет ложки, да?
Нет.
Yok böyle.
Böyle ısırarak yiyeceksin.
What the hell is this fucking demo ice cream? Huh?
Teşekkür ederim.
You get fucking better ice cream at some fucking McDonald's. Russian ice cream. It's just cream. It's so cold. Funny. It's good. Everything is relative, my man.